How does serotonin affect bipolar brain chemistry? Have you ever wondered how serotonin impacts the brain chemistry of someone with bipolar disorder? Serotonin is a crucial neurotransmitter that plays a significant role in mood regulation and emotional stability. In bipolar disorder, serotonin activity is often disrupted, leading to the mood swings that define this condition. During depressive episodes, research shows that serotonin activity tends to be reduced. This drop in serotonin can lead to feelings of sadness, low energy, and despair. Interestingly, this reduced serotonin activity may also be present during periods of mood stability, known as euthymic phases. This suggests that low serotonin levels might be a persistent trait in individuals with bipolar disorder, not just a temporary state during depression. When it comes to manic episodes, the findings about serotonin levels are less straightforward. Instead of simply increasing or decreasing, serotonin dysregulation seems to be more complex. Serotonin does not work alone. It interacts with other neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. Dopamine is often linked to pleasure and reward, and its levels tend to rise during manic phases. Norepinephrine, on the other hand, affects alertness and anxiety. The balance among these neurotransmitters is vital for mood regulation. When serotonin is disrupted, it can indirectly influence dopamine and norepinephrine, contributing to the mood instability seen in bipolar disorder. On a deeper level, abnormalities in serotonin receptor binding and serotonin transporter function have been observed in those with bipolar disorder. Stress factors, such as increased cortisol levels, can further impair serotonin signaling. Beyond its role as a neurotransmitter, serotonin also influences cellular resilience and neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize. These functions are often impaired in bipolar disorder, making serotonin's role even more critical. In terms of brain structure, bipolar disorder is linked to changes in areas responsible for emotion regulation, like the prefrontal cortex and amygdala. Since serotonin helps regulate activity in these regions, disruptions in serotonin signaling can contribute to the emotional dysregulation and impulsivity commonly seen in bipolar disorder. In practical terms, many medications prescribed for bipolar disorder, such as selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors and serotonin norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors, aim to increase serotonin levels or enhance its signaling. This can help stabilize mood, but treatment must be personalized to avoid triggering manic episodes, highlighting the complex role serotonin plays in bipolar brain chemistry. In summary, serotonin significantly affects bipolar brain chemistry by influencing mood stability, interacting with other neurotransmitters, modulating brain regions critical for emotion regulation, and impacting neuroplasticity. Understanding serotonin's role is essential for developing effective treatment strategies while recognizing the complexity and individual variation in bipolar disorder. Always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and treatment options.